Welcome to another how-to video. How to use LucidChart in 2024 tutorial for beginners. First, let's log into your LucidChart account. Once you're in the home page, click the plus new button to add a new project. LucidChart section is great for us beginners since it provides guidance and mini tutorials along the way. You can also choose the Lucid Spark section if you think you can create one on a blank board. Now let's go ahead and click the Lucid Chart section. On the ribbon, you can see File, Edit, Select, View, Insert, Arrange, Share, and Help tabs where you can go on based on what you need. On the right side, you will find a template gallery where you can find a template depends on what you need to do. Next is the Styles panel. Customize this section on based on what you need. Take note that anything you can change in this section will affect the styles of your shapes. The third section is the Shapes panel, where you will find all the shapes you're going to need in creating a draft and lucid chart. It also contains flowchart shapes in case you're going to create a simple flowchart. Next is the Container panels, where you can put a ready-made containers for us to use. On the Images panel, you can search or upload an image you want to put to the lucid chart. Once you're done editing the project, save it by going to the file, which can be found on the ribbon, and hit the Save button. And there you have it. We have now learned the beginner's guide of LucidChart. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.